Introducing the professional digital meat thermometer, your go-to tool for perfectly cooked meals every time. With a lightning-fast 0.5-second instant read and NSF and NIST certification for accuracy within plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, this thermometer ensures precise results. Designed for convenience, it features a 100% waterproof build, an auto-rotating bright display, and auto-wake sleep functionality. Whether you're grilling, barbecuing, or cooking indoors, this thermometer delivers reliable performance and effortless use for all your culinary needs. Introducing the no-touch thermometer for adults and kids, a versatile and accurate digital thermometer designed for the whole family. This FSA/HSA eligible device offers quick, contact-free readings, making it ideal for babies and children. It features a 2-in-1 mode for measuring both forehead temperature and the temperature of objects. With a built-in fever alarm and silent mode, it provides easy and discreet monitoring, ensuring a stress-free experience when checking for fevers. Introducing the Etekcity Smart Scale for body weight, a comprehensive digital weighing scale that offers more than just weight measurement. FSA and HSA store eligible, this scale tracks BMI, body fat, muscle mass, and other vital metrics to help you monitor your health. With Bluetooth connectivity, it syncs seamlessly with popular health apps for easy tracking and progress analysis. Perfect for home use, this accurate and user-friendly scale is an essential tool for anyone looking to maintain or improve their health. Introducing the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper, your compact and versatile solution for a full-body workout at home. This stair-step workout machine comes with resistance bands, allowing you to engage both your lower and upper body for an effective cardio session. For those seeking a connected experience, the optional Smart Stepper model syncs with the Sunny Fit app, providing interactive workouts and progress tracking. Ideal for any fitness level, this mini stepper brings the gym to your home. Introducing the NEVIFIT bathroom scale, a highly accurate digital scale designed to measure body weight up to 400 pounds. This sleek and reliable scale provides precise readings, making it an essential tool for tracking your health and fitness goals. With a user-friendly design, it includes batteries so you can start using it right away. Perfect for any bathroom, the NEVIFIT scale combines accuracy, convenience, and durability for everyday use.